Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I have the Google Maps application and I'm going to tell you and show you how you can easily make a map on Google Maps. So at first we have to drop a pin somewhere. So let's, for example, drop a pin over here. Now we have to move to the right to more. Here we have to tap download offline map. Now I can make our map, which will work offline, and we just have to select an area to download. Here, for example, let's go back, and here we have some half of Poland almost. Here, let's zoom in, for example, to make here, for example. Now we have to tap download. And here now to see our maps, we have to exit from there, go here to our profile picture and tap offline maps. Here, as you can see, our map 2 is being downloaded. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.